Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to remove someone on BeReal or how to unadd someone on BeReal app as well. So as you can see, we're currently on My Friends right here, and you have to be here on My Friends, not on Discovery. And then let's say we want to remove this friend here. So we can click on this friend right here on the icon, right? And now this is his profile, right? And now what we can do is we can go to here, three dots, right? And now you can remove the friendship. You can also report or block, but remove the friendship is probably the best way how to remove the friendship if you want to remove this particular friend. And yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. It's really simple. And then you can go back and obviously do that for other people as well. It's really simple. Now, if you want to, for example, add someone, go to Discovery, and then you can go to their, obviously, post, and then you can click on them, and then you can click add friend, and obviously they need to also add you as well, and then you will be able to see their post and everything like that. But this is pretty much how to remove someone on BeReal and how to unadd someone on BeReal app. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.